Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. On this channel we do things like show diamond paintings. Out of the box, completed, in progress. That's fun. I also do some crochet and yarny videos as well as some book reviews and book discussions. So I do a lot of things here. If you're new here, I hope you find something here that you enjoy and you'll come back and become a regular. Hit the subscribe button. And for everybody who's returning, hi again, welcome back. Today's video is a diamond painting video. It's from DPClubs. I would like to thank DPClubs for letting me pick out some things from them to show you. I'll have all these items listed below so you can go check them out yourself if it is something you are interested in. So let's get right into it and see what we have. Let's start with this. What is this? I was like intrigued. Sometimes I go into the tool section and look around, see what they have in their tool section. You never know what you're going to find. So this one caught my eye and I was intrigued. They're little, I think they're supposed to be wipes. I got to go back and look at the website and see what they call these again, because I am not certain, and I'm not certain what their purpose is at this point. I ordered this quite a while ago. There's a ton of them in here, though. I'm going to look it up. I'll let you know at the end of the video. I'll be like, hey, those little squares, those little purple squares, they're for blah, blah, blah. I don't know. They're interesting, though. I totally forgot what they're for. So I'll get back with you on that one. All right. Let's move on to the next item. This, I do know what it is. I do try to find unique things. That one, so unique, I don't even remember what it was. All right. Here we go. We get, little 2 bags of drills. Okay, I'm not certain we need 2, but let's get into it and see if we need to. Toolkit. This is a little pouch, like a little pocket pouch. It's double-sided. You pull the plastic back here. You're going to have to tear it. It's kind of sewn in here. You have to tear it out, and you drill this pretty mandala on this side and on this side. But this is the cool thing. Look, it's one of these guys. It does this. It's like a coin purse kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? You gotta, it doesn't stay open. You gotta kind of hold it open, which is, I don't know, interesting. But there's that. Put some little goodies in there. I know. We can put these in there. Put our little squares in there. Hold them in there. Anyhow, I thought I would try one. It looked unique, right? So let's see what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we just have 2 packages of drills here. We only need 1. They're exactly the same. So we got an extra there. All right. Let's see what we get. So we get, in each package, we'll get green rhinestones, yellow, pink, light blue, and orange. Oh, a bunch of little red slivers. Oh, my favorite. Slivers. Woohoo! We get some red teardrops. We get some faceted, iridescent teardrops in red, some orange teardrops, and a couple of blue pearls. So I have 2 bags, exactly the same. So I'm not going to need both of those. And let's see. Our slivers. Slivers. Normally they pop right out. Where are they? I don't know. I'm not finding them. Rounds. Is this even the right bag of drills? I don't know. Let's see. 4 is supposed to be blue. 1s are supposed to be green. That checks out. I don't know. Where's the slivers? I don't see them. I have 6, 7. How many colors do I have here? I don't know. Now I'm confused. Now I'm concerned. I'm going to open these back up. And let's see. So we have B. Okay. B goes right there. Okay, so that checks out. A, okay, that checks out. That goes around the, okay. 8 checks out. 7 checks out. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there they are. They looked, okay, they're all around this center ring right there. Okay, that was driving me crazy. Where were they? It's that ring right there. They looked like they were just round, like rhinestones. Okay, got it. Sorry to waste so much of your time on that, but now we know. Okay, let's look at our next thing we have. We have a painting. Okay, this order, DPClubs is one of those sites that they'll have multiple items listed in one listing, in one grouping, and they're all similar. And I did not go put in my specific number I wanted. So a couple of these are not exactly the one I had wanted out of the grouping. They just sent me one out of the group. So I got what I got. Anyhow, but I did get this, and I'm happy with that. This has a lot of specials on it. This dragonfly, super pretty. Look at all of that. And this, so pretty. So pretty. Love it. All right. It's a 30 by 30, and it has 8 different types of drills. What are they? A lot of this gold color. 2 bags of the gold. A clear. Oh, that's it for the rhinestones. The rest is specials. Okay. Perfect. We have these gold marquees, gold balls in 2 sizes, and some blue faceted rounds. Love that. I love, there's a whole set of these with this blue gold type of thing. Super pretty. All of them super pretty. So even though I didn't put in like this serial number to identify exactly which one I wanted, I got one that I wanted on that. So that worked out. Love that one. This one, like I said, there were several of these girls. I know this is not the girl that I really wanted because I didn't put in this number right here. So they just sent me one from the collection. I mean, she's all right, but it's just not the one that I had hoped for. But that's my fault. That's my bad. I should know better. This has 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different types of drills. 4 of them are special drills. And it's just this beautiful girl with all these flowers and her hair flowing. They were all girls with flowers and hair flowing, right? But some I just liked better than others. Well, that was fun. The windows are open and it's very windy outside. So things are just blowing around. The office door slammed, and it slammed so hard it knocked my mirror down off the wall. It was hanging by one nail off one corner. Oh my goodness. Oh, goodness. Anyhow, okay. I'll see if I can edit out the big boom because the big boom was very, very loud. Okay, let's look at our drills for this girl. My heart's still racing. I cannot believe how windy it is and how hard that just slammed that door. Goodness. All right, here's what we have. We have some clear rhinestones, some orange, yellowy, gold colors, a couple of greens. I have a little bit of yellow pearl ABs. Those are pretty. Some purple rhinestones, some pink rhinestones. Then we have our snowflakey drills in this bright pink and bright yellow. We have both of those. We have some clear iridescent marquees and some gold marquees. So that'll be pretty. I bet you those snowflakey ones are the A and B. They're going to go right here along the bodice of her dress. So that will be pretty. Okay, next. Again, there were 4 of these. There were 4 in this collection. This is not the one that I really wanted, but it's still very pretty. I love this like music staff type background to it. And then the pretty flowers on top of that. I thought that was super pretty. This one has 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different drills, and 6 of them are special drills. So look at all the special drills throughout the flowers. There's a ton of them. So let's look and see what we have. I think it's going to be really pretty. Lots and lots of special drills on this one. All right, here we go. We have clear rhinestones, again, that goldish type of rhinestone, pink, green, and blue. That's our rhinestones right there. Then we have gold balls. We have blue faceted marquise. We have clear faceted marquise. We have some blue shards. Oh, look at those. Large, pretty blue round. And then the pearly blue. Love those. That's pretty. So the blues are really pretty. And we're going to have a little bit of gold, pink, and green to go along with it. That's pretty. I like that. All right. So see, it's working out. It's working out well. Just remember, you got to, once you put something in your cart, you get what you put in your cart. But when I have to send links, I have to make sure I send the right thing. So anyhow, you'll get the grouping. When I put a link in the description box, you'll get a group. You'll get the whole group. Well, look at my box. Okay, the box is undone completely. Oh, I remember this. Oh, I'm going to like this. You're going to like this too. Let's get into this. This is one of those unique items. You know, I love to find the unique items. Look, it comes with a toolkit. Comes with its own tools. It's got, oh, I don't know, it's got some red stuff. I don't know what that is. Something sticky maybe. It's got a screwdriver. It's got little screws. It's got hooks. Oh, okay, it's got hooks. It's got, you know what it's got hooks for, don't you? I'll show you what it's got hooks for. It's got hooks to go on here. Oh, I know how it's going to go. There's no holes in here. This is wooden. There's no holes. So this is going to be stick. What do we need a screwdriver for? What are we screwdriving? There are screws, but then there are these. What do we need the screws for? What are they going to screw through? I don't know. There's no, look at. You think this isn't sticky? This red stuff is sticky? Certainly is. All the little screws are stuck to it. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. There are things that I really can't figure out. Dale has been able to figure out some. So you're going to put hooks on here. Do they go over the drills? Go on the back? I don't know. Again, directions for some of these things would be amazing, right? To help figure these out. And here's the hooks. Are they just going to stick on there? I don't know. I really don't know. But here are the hooks. No idea. I'm going to have to go to the website and look. Do they hook on the back like this? They got to go on the back. So you put the sticky stuff on the back, right? And you must drill through this, right? Put your little screw through here. From the front to the back, maybe? I don't know. How? No idea. No clue how this will work. I think it's got to go like that, but how do you put the screws through? My husband will figure that out. And there's a bunch of them. Is there like at least 6? There's more than 6 screws. There's 3. I don't know. Okay, well, this is a job for the husband. Again, he had to show me how to put together a picture frame earlier this week. And I was like, how does this go together? It doesn't make sense to me. Anyhow, he's good at that stuff. But I loved it. The hooks will go on here somehow, some way. We'll figure that out. But look at the birds. Aren't they pretty? They drill all of this very rainbowy hummingbirds. Very pretty. And we'll figure out how to attach the hooks at a later date. That's what we'll do. This has been a hot mess video from the beginning to the end. Not knowing what the little purple cloths are, the door trying to come off the hinges. I mean, it's been, wow. Okay, rhinestones, lots of them. Green, pink, yellow, clear, goldish yellow, blue, green, clear, blue, purple, purple, lighter purple, blue, pink, light blue. Oh, we get a few little marquees in lime green, and then we get our friends, the slivers, in blue and gold and red. Not very many of them, so I'm hoping there's not a lot that goes on here. I'm not going to spend forever looking for them. I did that with one of the other items. I'm not going to spend forever. Anyhow, that's what we have. All right. So, like I said, wow, what a hot mess this was, okay? From me not ordering exactly what I wanted to get, but I mean that turned out okay. I got some interesting things here. To just what a mess. Just what a mess. It's not always like this. If you're new here, it's not always like this. I promise it's not always like this. But today was not my day. Okay. Anyhow, thanks for watching. And if you are new here, please come back and give me another try with another video because, like I said, they aren't all like this. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I will see you next time. And I'll try to remember to figure out what those purple wipey things are because I don't know. I thought maybe they'd be moistened or I don't know. I'm going to go look them up right now. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.